Hi, I'm Angela of Axe Root Homestead, and today I want to show you what my kids and I did on this rainy afternoon. We created a free seed library. During the coronavirus crisis, we want to help out in whatever way we can. We aren't doctors or nurses, we are homesteaders and gardeners or farmers. And so the best thing that we thought we could do was to empower people that they can grow their own food. And so we are giving away free seeds online in giveaways, and we also started this free seed library seed bank. This will be at our farm stand, and we chose a clear Tupperware container to keep it all dry and free of moisture. When you open up the seed library, inside I've organized the different groupings of seeds. So there's peas, flowers, herbs, gourds, tomatoes, tomatillos, and people can just browse through and take a look at the different seed packs that are available to them for free. In the back, I have a card that says Start a Library, and I simply explained that if you want to start your own seed bank, take one of these sheets, which is on the front cover, or the lid, and explains exactly what this box is. Take some seeds, leave some seeds. If you see seeds you want to grow, they're yours to take. If you have some at home that you want to contribute, bring them back and put them in the box in the correct genre, and that's how we keep this little seed bank going. In addition, in my box, I put some pine shavings on the bottom. These are obviously fresh and clean, and they're just to help with traction of the seeds and also help with moisture control. And then, hiding on the side here, I have one of these silica gel packets. Same thing if you got a box of shoes and these are in there. This just, again, helps absorb any moisture that might work its way into the box. The last thing we want to do is get people's hopes up that they're going to grow free seeds and then have them be too moist and damp to grow. So this all is packaged up, lid secured on, and I go out every day to my farm stand multiple times a day to place eggs and other goods that we have for sale, so I can constantly just check on the box, make sure the lid is securely closed. So if you're in the area in central New Jersey and you'd like to come by Axe Root Homestead, look us up and you could take some seeds for free, or feel free to donate to our seed bank. And if you would also like to create your own free little seed library, I'm including the free printable for this cover sheet here, which explains to people how this works and for you to keep in your box and also hand out so others can start their own. Please visit my website, www.axeandroothomestead.com. Go to the shop and then the downloads section, and you will see this has no price on it. This is a free printable. All right, good luck.